and welcome to another great episode of Pivot Don't Panic, the show dedicated to inspiring you and giving you hope by telling the stories of brands that are quite literally transforming their businesses amid the coronavirus crisis. My name is Gugusitola Kali and I'm super glad to have you with me. On this week's episode, we cover a brand called Rosie on Fire. This well-established 5-year-old fashion e-commerce brand was doing pretty well up until a month ago when their business came to a grinding halt. But what didn't they do? You already know it. They didn't panic. Instead, they took advantage of their Malaysian-based supply chain to launch a brand called Super Clean. That's Super Clean with a double E. Super Clean is dedicated to supplying Asian corporates with protective gear like gloves and disinfectant. Simultaneously, they launched a dedicated website that sells lockdown-related goodies to their UK consumers. Now, these goodies are categorized into kits like the birthday kit, the pamper kit, and the date night kit, to name just a few. When asked about this transformation in business, their founder, Angela Francis Koo, had this to say. What a great story. If you want to find out more about this brand, visit their website at supply-drop.me. That's supply-drop.me. Remember to catch us next week when we'll be covering a brand from out of South Africa called Sweep South. Sweep South has pivoted from being a cleaning services brand to being a brand that sells cleaning products. And I think that's worth covering. Remember, if your business is also transforming amid this time, you can drop us an email. Just email us at the email address below. Or you can catch us on social media using the hashtag Pivot Don't Panic. Add us at any of the social media platforms and we'll be sure to reply. We'll catch you again next week. Cheers.